So this is one I prepared earlier. So in my last video, you'll remember that this was wound onto a niddy noddy, and then we took it to the sink and we felted it, or felted the surface of the yarn. And this skein had the same thing done to it. So this skein is balanced, and the surface of the yarn has been felted. It's quite fine, so when it's dried, it has the twist has found the ability, as the water came out of the yarn, to curl back on itself. So it is quite curly. So now the process with all of the skeins, whether they're thick or whether they're fine or finer like this one, is that we're going to put it on the yarn swift and cut the ties and feed the end of the yarn back through the bobbin and spin in the opposite direction. Now it won't be it won't be a spin as such. What it is, it's just a gentle process of twisting it enough in the opposite direction that from this we will go to, and I'll spin it in with my thumb in the opposite direction, we will go to that. In fact, even more with this one. Here we go. We will take out the kinks out of it, and it will open up, and we will be able to then skein it once again and pop it into some water and set it. From doing that, what we will get is this. So this is the same yarn that has been popped on a yarn swift, spun back onto the bobbin in an S direction just to take out the kinks, and what we've ended up with is a lovely bouncy soft skein of yarn, single, balanced, and has a resilience to the surface, so we're not going to get any, it's going to wear really well. The other thing is that there's not going to be any slant to our knitting if we knit with this. We will be able to knit with it, and the fabric will stay aligned and not go off on an angle. So there's the finished skein. This was a blend, this was actually blended on the carder. So it was some natural top that I had, and then I had some lovely camel fibre that was really soft, and I popped it through the carder and blended them together several times. I think I popped it through the carder 3 times, and so there will be a bit of a halo to this yarn that will evolve, and it's given it a lovely softness and bounce to it. So that's the final process.